This video demonstrates the Kenevo's activity modes and when they are indicated. In Activity Mode A, the knee joint is extended and fully locked. A swing phase cannot be triggered. In Activity Mode B, the knee joint is locked in stance phase but can release into swing phase. Activity Mode B+ corresponds to Activity Mode B and additionally allows stance phase flexion of up to 10 degrees while walking. This supports secure, full foot contact on level ground and enables the negotiation of shallow ramps. In Activity Mode C, unlimited stance phase flexion is available, allowing alternating descent of stairs and steeper ramps. In every activity mode, basic functions like supported sitting down or the wheelchair function can be used. Activity Mode A is suitable for users with limited residual limb control who are not yet able to safely manage a moving knee joint, for example during the swing phase. Activity Mode B is particularly suited for users with moderate residual limb control. These users are able to walk step over step, but do not tolerate knee flexion during the stance phase. In this mode, stance release occurs late in the stance phase, providing enhanced safety during the transition from stance to swing. Please note that when Activity Mode B is selected, descending stairs and ramps can only be performed using a step-to-step gait pattern. Activity Mode B+ is designed for users who have gained sufficient confidence in their prosthesis to accept limited knee flexion during the stance phase. In this activity mode, the knee joint provides controlled stance phase flexion of up to 10 degrees. As in Activity Mode B, stance release occurs late in the stance phase. As a result of the stance phase flexion, users can also descend shallow ramps step over step. Activity Mode C is suitable for users who are able to control unrestricted knee flexion during the stance phase. In this activity mode, the Kenevo does not lock but provides a high level of stance phase flexion resistance. Stance release occurs earlier than in the activity modes B and B+, promoting a more dynamic gait pattern. Activity Mode C also supports step-over-step descent of stairs and ramps,